everyone, and welcome back to Virtual Storytime. I hope you are all doing well. It's great to see you again. Now, today's story time is going to be all about different noises. All right? And we're going to see a lot of different animals today too, and listen to some of the sounds that they make. All right? Are you all ready? Great. Let's get started right away with our opening song. Here we go. Let's all clap 'cause we're all here, we're all here, we're all here. Let's all clap 'cause we're all here today. Great job! Now, before we read our story, I thought we could sing another song. And this one has lots of noises in it. We're gonna sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Do you think you can help me? You can? Awesome! So, we're going to see the animals that are on Old MacDonald's farm, and we're going to hear the sounds they make. All right, let's get started. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a... What is this? It's a fish! He had a fish, E-I-E-I-O, with a splash, splash here and a splash, splash there. Here a splash, there a splash, everywhere a splash, splash. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, you ready for the next one? All right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a bear, E-I-E-I-O, with a grr here and a grr there. Here a grr, there a grr, everywhere a grr. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, we got one more animal. Are you ready? All right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All right, good job, everybody. I bet you did great with all of those animal sounds. So now I have a book for you, and it also involves sounds. And this book is called What's That Noise? Are you ready? Great, let's get started. Early one morning, while the sun was rising over the icy plains of the Arctic, a long, low rumbling sound woke Magnus from a very deep sleep. Rumble, rumble, rumble. What's that noise? He wondered. Could it be the wind? Could it be the sea? Could it be an iceberg cracking? Magnus just couldn't figure it out. He needed to find a friend with a good pair of ears. All right, what do you think? Any ideas on what the sound could be? I don't know yet. We'll have to find out, but I bet you have good ears too, so let's help Magnus figure it out. Hello, Hare, said Magnus. Can you help me? What's that noise? Hare listened. Rumble, rumble. I don't know, said Hare, but let's go and ask our friends. Rumble, rumble, rumble. So Magnus and Hare set off over the ice, and all the while, the rumbling sound followed them. Seems like quite the mystery. By the frosty forest, they met Owl. "Hello, Owl," said Magnus. "Can you help us? What's that noise? Is it the creaking of the trees?" Rumble, rumble, rumble. Owl listened. "Oh no," she said. "It's not the creaking of the trees." On top of the snowy rocks, they met Fox. "Hello, Fox," said Magnus. "Can you help us? What's that noise? Is it the whistling of the wind?" Rumble, rumble, rumble. Fox listened. "Oh no," he said. "It's not the whistling of the wind." Any more guesses? So it's not the trees, and it's not the wind. What could it be? Maybe. That's a good guess. Let's find out. By the icy river, they met Polar Bear. "Hello, Bear. Can you help us? What's that noise? Is it the cracking of the ice?" Rumble, rumble, rumble. Bear listened. "Oh no," she said. "It's not the cracking of the ice." At last, by the edge of the sea, they met Walrus. "Please, Walrus, can you help us? What's that noise? Is it the roaring of the sea?" Rumble, rumble, rumble. "Oh no," said Walrus. "It's not the roaring of the sea. But I think I know what it could be. Dive into the water and catch the plumpest, pinkest shrimp you can find." Sounds like Walrus might know. Wonder what it is. With a splash, Magnus dived down to the depths of the sea, and there he found lots of plump pink shrimp. He brought them back to Walrus, and they had a delicious feast. Suddenly, they realized it was very quiet. The noise had stopped. "It wasn't the creaking of the trees or the whistling of the wind," said Magnus. "And it wasn't the cracking of the ice or the roaring of the sea. The great rumbling sound has been coming from me!" And everyone laughed to think all of that noise coming from Magnus's rumbling, grumbling, hungry tummy. That's pretty silly, isn't it? When you get hungry, does your tummy rumble and grumble? I know mine does. Like right before breakfast, it'll be like, "Give me some food." So after their long day, and with their tummies full, the friends settled down to a deep sleep. It was very peaceful. But then Walrus peeled open one wrinkly eye. "What's that noise?" Rumble, rumble, rumble. It was the long, loud rumbling of sleepy seal snores. Good night, Magnus. And that is the end of that story. I hope you all enjoyed that. I certainly did. That was such a mystery, right? They kept hearing the rumble, 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 and they all worked together to figure out what it was. And it just turned out that Magnus was very, very, very hungry. Okay, so before we go, I have something else for you. I think that we should play a guessing game. So we are going to go do that. I am going to play some different sounds for you. They'll be animal sounds since you're so good at figuring them out. And you can guess what they are. All right, let's go do that.
All right, are you ready to play? Great. Here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to play an animal sound for you, and then you're going to guess what it is. And then I'll show you a picture of the animal, and we'll see if you're right. All right, let's get started. Here is the first sound. Let me play that one more time for you. Okay, what do you think it is? If you said a cat, you're right. Great job. All right, here's the next sound. And I'll play it one more time. Okay, so what was that one? If you said a dog, you got it. All right, here is the last sound. Okay, one more time. All right, so what was that one? If you said a frog, you got it. Good job, everybody. You are so awesome at all this. All right, let's get back to our story time.
All right, you guys did such a great job guessing all of those animal sounds. I bet that was really, really hard. Or maybe since you're really good at it, it was actually really easy for you. I don't know. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you liked this story time. Let's get our waving hands up and we'll sing our closing song. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. All right, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you again next week. Bye.